I wasn't really planning on filming this part.
Welcome back to the 30 days of roller skating. Good morning, I'm Lindsey, I'm a roller skater, and today I'm going to take you along on my day with me. We are going to go roller skating. We are going to pick out cute clothing for roller skating because I need to up my game and I probably need your help. So let's get started. Good morning. So on my last video on YouTube, I asked what you would like to learn next, and somebody answered like revisiting transitions and like how to do them, like other than just like open the door, close the door. And so I am filming that today.
So I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't really planning on filming this part, but I feel like I should probably show it. Like for the past like half an hour, I have been totally procrastinating on recording this because I get a ton of anxiety before I start to record a video. So now I'm just like eating a banana with peanut butter because I'm like, that feels like a good way of wasting time before I have to like talk to the camera and like get everything right and be perfect and cool and stuff and like know exactly what I'm doing. Yeah, so I figured I would just, show you the reality of recording videos. It's like, I should totally love it and I should feel like it's like the most fun thing ever. But honestly, I just get major anxiety. But I want to do it because I know I can help a lot of people learn how to skate better. And sometimes it's fun. And so like, do you balance out the good times with the bad? And I know that in the future, it'll be like really fun. Like I'll be able to like travel and record skating videos and stuff. But for now, it's just me in this living room with a table in it that I have to move now. Okay, that works. You can't see that the table's over there, so we are good, I think.
Hi, I'm Lindsey. Welcome back to the 30 days of roller skating. Okay, just finished recording the video, the tutorial of transitions, and I actually feel way better about it now because I feel like it was actually a really cool video and you guys are hopefully gonna like it, and so I don't feel as like down about it because I feel like it was productive. And so hopefully you guys get something out of that because I found that to be a really helpful video that like kind of categorized transitions into like 4 different groups and ways that you can do it that make it so much easier and so much better than just open the door, close the door, because that just kind of looks clunky and we can do so much better than that.
Okay, starting off the day with a healthy breakfast. This looks a little bit weird right now. We'll just mix that in. So I like to put an egg plus 1 egg white in with my oatmeal to make it like have more protein. And I also have my green drink. I drink it because it has probiotics and digestive enzymes, and it actually tastes good unlike other green drinks. And use this stirring stick that I got the other day, which is like awesome because then I don't have to have a stupid lid that leaks and shake it up myself. This thing helps so much. I just bought that off of Amazon. And then I have my banana with peanut butter, and the egg went in there, and that also goes in there. I just used regular milk, but sometimes I've used almond milk. I used to use oat milk, and it was delicious. But then I found out that oat milk isn't really that healthy, so I only use it like as like a coffee creamer if I do have coffee, like because I have that every once in a while.
So next on the agenda is to go shopping for roller skating clothes because I need to up my level of cute outfits for roller skating.
Yesterday was so sunny and nice, and now look at it. Like, gross. It's all rainy. Ew. I don't like it. I like it when it's sunny and it's beautiful outside, and then I can go outside and skate at the tennis court and I can feel alive. But when it's like this, it just feels like okay, I'm not gonna complain about the weather anymore. Okay, made it to the store. Let's go shopping for cute roller skate outfits.
So the goal of my trip was to find cute retro outfits, and so I kind of like this top. I thought it looked really retro. There were some cute things here, but I just didn't think they were like good enough quality to like last more than a couple wears. And shorts were kind of basic, but what I was really looking for was like some overalls or something, and like some cute tank tops or t-shirts with like sleeves with like red around the edges or something, just something like retro. But what I found was this cute top. I kind of liked it, and these shorts, I actually took them off of a mannequin in the store. I felt really bad about it because like she didn't have shorts on afterwards because I took them to try them on. I thought they were really cute, but they were a little bit loose in the front, and so I like couldn't decide, and I posted online on Instagram. I was like, guys, help me out. I'll show you the post in a second here. Those shorts were way too tight. Yeah, and so were these, and I just did not like them. And the skirt was too tight. Actually, all the skirts that I got were so cute off of me, but when I put them on, they were all super tight. And sometimes I just have this thing like where I like look at the clothing on the rack and I'm like, it's so cute, and then it totally doesn't fit. And then I just have that problem. Like, I imagine the clothing that's like really cute on the rack, and I'm like, that would look cute on, and then it does not look cute on because it doesn't fit, like these pants, even though I really like those pants. And that top is just the most horrible top I had ever seen on. It was like it had no support whatsoever, so I put back on my crop top underneath it to make it like work at all. And so this is me just like putting back on the shorts, and I'm like, I really cannot decide. Yeah, I have them at home right now, and I'm like, I don't know if I'm gonna keep them or not. I'm still pretty undecided. So I need to know your opinion. Should I keep the shorts or take them back?
Okay, so I'm done shopping, and what I ended up getting was this pair of shorts. I'll show you in a second at home, and then this pair of shorts. And I posted on my story about this pair of shorts on Instagram, and I put vote yes or no on the shorts, and so far I have 2 votes and they're both no's. So now I'm like maybe I shouldn't have gotten them. I still have the receipt, so like I have 30 days, I guess. But it'd be really embarrassing if like by the next hour I got like all no votes, and I'm like, I should just return them now because they look bad on. I'm gonna try them on at home again and see how I feel about them. I feel like the jury's really out on this, meaning I like them, but everybody else thinks they suck. So we'll see, because I can't tell like how things look on me. It's really hard to tell, like, because it's like, is it the style, or is it like that I just feel weird about it? Is that how it's supposed to look with that specific style, and I just don't understand the style? I never really know, so I'm still figuring it out. But now let's go edit tomorrow's tutorial video. Made it to the lake. This is my favorite spot. I love the lake. I can't get enough of it. It's basically like a bad habit at this point. Like, I should not be here as much as I am, but it's peaceful and it keeps me away from, like, if I was at the house, I would get distracted because I'd be like, I need to clean this, or I need to cook that, or I need to do that. And then I'd like have to do that before I move on to doing the thing that I really need to do, which is edit tomorrow's video. So I'm gonna do that right now. Turns out I get distracted pretty easily, so we're gonna make a protein shake. So I have something to eat while I'm editing, or drink, and I don't have a way. I didn't bring a shaker bottle, so now we're making like a funnel out of this UPS return receipt. Lovely. Dangerous to do this in my car. I could spill everywhere. I like to get enough protein to make sure that I am recovering from skating and from my workouts, so I can come back and skate again the next day. And it tastes good. Just finished editing. It took way longer than I expected. And then I tried to export it and it did not want to export. So we're gonna have to fight with my phone later to make sure that it exports. But at least I got to go to the lake, even though I didn't get out of the car. And it was a little cold. It was a little chilly, but that's okay too. It's supposed to be warmer tomorrow, so that's good. The shorts I bought,
so far. Everybody hates them, but I'm not sure if I like them or not. I'm still deciding. What I really wish that I had found was a cute pair of overalls, or like a crop top with like red around the sleeves or something. I don't know, something like that was more of what I was looking for. But you know, starting with the basics is good too. So now we're on our way back home and gonna get something to eat, and then I'm gonna go to the gym, and then I have to get the video to export and then make a title, tags, and do all the SEO for it, and then make a thumbnail picture. So I have to like make a cute like Photoshop edit for that or something, and that will hopefully be everything. I have a little bit of a headache now, but it's okay. That'll go away. I get that from editing or being stressed, or from, you know, the weather and stuff. And also I have to head back now because I really need to use the bathroom, because I've been drinking so much water, because now I actually like drinking water because it tastes good. So I have to use the bathroom a lot. And so whenever I drive out to the lake, I'm like, I need to use the bathroom before I go. And then it always happens that every time I'm at the lake, I am like, I need to leave now. And so it's always my reason to leave is because I had to go to the bathroom because I'm so well hydrated. Every time I drive to the lake, I drive past this cute little tiny house. I'll show you. Do you see it over there? Wait, there we go. There it is. Do you see that? How cute is that? Going at it from another angle. Oh my gosh, I have to go so bad. I'm so well hydrated. I'm really proud of my meal prep. So I made like veggies that are roasted. I made sweet potatoes, and then this is cauliflower, and then this is roasted cabbage. It has like sriracha and olive oil on it, and so that's really good. And then chicken with barbecue sauce, and then broccoli, and then I'm having microfactor, and I'm not eating all of this together. It's just I'm just eating out of the containers, so I don't have to do that many dishes, because doing dishes kind of just feels like a waste of time when you can just, you know, use the same dish or just eat out of the big containers that you're gonna use all week. And I'll also probably make a mug cake in a second here as like a little dessert because it's so good.
Wishing I could read your mind, but I'm ready. Yeah, never ready. I wish I could have made it stop the first time that you stood me up. I wasn't ready. Yeah, never ready. Like a forbidden fruit, I'm still crazy.
Did I just make a mug cake on roller skates? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. And it turned out very good. Okay, so these are the shorts that I decided to keep. They are stretchy, super stretchy, and they fit well, and they cover my butt, unlike all my other shorts. And so I'm definitely keeping these, but I think I'm gonna return these because I think they look cute from the back, but I think they're a little bit bunchy in the front, and so does everybody on Instagram. So if I'm 50-50 and Instagram is basically, it seemed like 75% of people hated them. So, but I don't know. What do you think? Please comment down below. This is a very hard decision for me, and a very serious decision for me too. Very serious, very important. Okay, let's go to the gym now.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end.
It's so hard. Okay, back home. Now I'm gonna spend the next hour or two making a title, tags, and thumbnail for tomorrow's video. Let me show you. Oh, it's uploading. Yeah. So I'm gonna be doing that. It's like one of my favorite times of night right now. It's just like, it's 9 p.m. It's so chill. Everything's done for the day. I know I'm not missing out on doing anything fun. Now I can just focus on stuff I need to get done, and I'll show you when I'm done. When is your favorite time to work on things? Because I'm not like exactly like a night owl,
but working on things at night is like my favorite because it's so peaceful. I'm like not super tired or anything because I'll get tired at like 12. But yeah, are you a morning person or a night person? Because I am a night person. At least a work at night person. Because when it's during the day, I just want to like be out and doing stuff. I don't want to feel like I like wasted the day. Because like I could go out and I could go roller skating when it's nice out, and I could do so many things. But at night, there's not really anything else to do. And so I don't feel like I'm missing out on anything. So I would just like, it's a perfect time for work. But I could see like super early morning also being like a really good time to work too. I just don't wake up that early. Okay, I'm all done now. I got it scheduled and here we go. Let's see it. I decided on this thumbnail. Wait, I'll show you from. I decided to go with that one. 3 of me showing what a transition is, I guess. It's okay. I don't know if it actually like fits the vibe of all my other ones, but you know, we tried. I didn't take any really specific photos for the thumbnail like a lot of people do because I just didn't have time to do it. So hopefully that's good enough that it like tells the story of like what it is, and it's like how to actually transition instead of like open the door, close the door, because that's kind of like clunky and boring, and these transitions are so much smoother and it's just a better way of doing it. So yeah, hopefully you guys like that video, and by the time you see this one it'll have already been up for like probably like 6 days. So make sure if you haven't seen it, go back and watch it, because I just watched it through and it was actually like watchable even though I wasn't skating. But I think it'd be fun to follow along with too. It's late now, and I'll see you tomorrow on Instagram. Okay, bye.